What I ended up doing is using a small drill bit, and I just worked a little cut here with that bit on the side of the red lens. And you can do this on the green as well. I'm going to have this wire go to the outside and around. That way I don't have to drill into this housing. I went ahead and centered this up. I drilled a small hole here. I'm going to put the first screw in hand tight. Make sure everything's good to go on the other side. Repeat that process. This is what it's going to look like on the front of the boat. You can see right there on the side how the wire comes out. Okay, front light's installed. We're going to go ahead and do the back. Have the back light installed, and I only used 3 of the mounting hole locations. One of the reasons is I wanted to make sure I had a good bite with the screws here and here. I didn't want to get too close to the edge and it pop out or crack. And then secondly, I'm using this 3rd hole to zip tie down the line when I run it, and it'll just give me another option to secure that in place. I have the backlight wires ran to the front. I installed the trolling motor so I could see what kind of clearance I have on this mounting bracket. I have good clearance. Ran that down, just zip tied it to the existing wire down here. So now all I need to do is put the battery in, wire everything up. Okay, everything's hooked up to the battery. You can see here I did an inline fuse on the positive terminal. I did the 2 positive wires from the back and front light here. Same thing here on the negative front and back wires. Thanks for watching.